Hello students, welcome back to the class on Principles of Management. My name is Rishi Chakravarti and I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Management at Assam Downtown University. From my previous lecture video, you came to know about the definition and concept of management, and by now you all have a picture about what is management. In this particular presentation, I'll be discussing with you all about the characteristics of management. So by characteristics, I mean to say that the uniqueness. What is there in management that we should learn? Why management is so different from the other disciplines? Is it necessary? So these are some of the questions that may come to our mind as we take up the subject of management. So in order to understand the characteristic or features, as it may be also be called, we have to have a broad idea or an in-depth idea about this particular term called management. So this inquisitiveness to know more about management have led us to include the characteristics or features of management into this particular syllabus. So as I carry on with my presentation, you will be able to understand the characteristics of management, and then you can judge by yourself why management is unique as compared to the other disciplines. Thank you very much.